What's going on, guys? It's Cade from Beyond the Box, back with another video, and we're giving away an Oculus Quest 2 at 20,000 subscribers. So if you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're alerted to all my new videos. But let's just get right into the video with the unboxing of the Beats Fit Pros by Beats by Dre. Are they still called Beats by Dre? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. But I'm excited to take a look at the Beats Fit Pro because I wasn't a fan of the Beats Sports Pro. They were just too big, they didn't fit my ears very well, and I honestly didn't believe the sound quality was very good. You were paying for a Beats branding, and yeah, let's just be honest. So I'm hoping that these can do justice for the newest generation from Beats and Apple, because these are owned by Apple now. So these are basically competing with the Apple AirPod Pros and the new AirPod 3rd generation. So they have a lot to live up to in terms of sound quality and design and fit and comfort. Yeah, so let's just get on with the unboxing and let's go from there with my honest opinion and review. It says on the box, comfortable, secure fit wingtips. That is a lot better than the original Beats Sport Pros because they were huge and I didn't really like the way they fit in my ears at all. And these do have active noise cancellation, unlike the Beats Studio Buds. Those did not have active noise cancellation. And there are quite a few differences in between the Beats Fit Pros and the Beats Studio Buds. I'll get to that in just a little bit. But you can see that these do charge with the USB Type-C cable. There's no lightning cable, even though Apple owns it. And you can see that one full charge will give you around 6 hours of battery life, and the case will give you around 18 hours of battery life, for a total of 24 hours of battery life on a single playback. Now, it'll last around 6 hours with noise cancellation on and around 7 hours with noise cancellation off. Take that with a grain of salt, and you be your own judge when figuring out the battery length. And these do work with iPhones and Androids, but you're losing quite a few features when you do use these with an Android. These do have the always on Hey Siri option that you will lose when you get an Android. But the good news is that these do come with an app in case you are not an Apple user, and it will give you the ability to kind of mess with them a little bit better in your settings. You don't get the full benefits of using these if you're not an Apple user. So it looks like this is all that's in the box. Try for free. Apple Music comes with an Apple Music subscription. 3 months, that's a good deal, not gonna lie. Stickers, manual, and all that good stuff. Hopefully we won't need any of that. So the USB Type-C cable on both ends, and you have multiple different sizes of ear tips in this little compartment. And they make it completely terrible to pull it out. Genius. Let me just push them out because that's the only option I have. Okay, so the medium ear tips are already installed inside, but you can remove the ear tips for any size that you want. And with that being said, you can also remove the ear tips and use a different company's ear tips in case you like them from like Sony's WF-1000 XM4s or something like that. Whichever ear tips you like, they'll be able to fit, which is really cool. I really like the design, I'm not gonna lie, these are really cool. I like the red and black, that's why I got them. But these definitely have quite a big case. I think the active noise cancellation immediately turns on once you put them in your ears, which is nice. The case is actually charged. Don't know how much battery time it has left in the case with this charge because we just pulled it out of the box, but it's good. The last product I just opened up, you couldn't even test it because the product was dead out of the box. So let's see if we can get these babies connected to my phone. And we just long press the side button. These do have a physical press button. Unlike the AirPod Pros and AirPod 3s, these do have a physical button on the side. So you can long press and turn noise isolation mode on or ambient sound mode on so you can hear your surroundings. And you can go in your settings app and change the long press feature to turn the volume up or down, whichever you prefer. But these do have Hey Siri always on, so you could always just tell Siri what you want. We're probably gonna have to stick these back in the case to get them to connect. There's a little button on the case. Ooh, software update requires, we don't want to update to the newest iPhone thing right now. Even though they should be updated to the newest iPhone, I don't understand why the iOS isn't updating on my phone. Anyway, looks like they're connected. So now we can put them back in for real this time. So we want to make sure the active noise cancellation is on. These also have spatial audio, so depending on the content that you're watching, you're gonna be able to use that with these, which is a good feature. And these also have the H1 chip, so you're gonna be able to use the Find My app to find them if you've lost them in your vicinity. And they also can tell whether they're in your ears or not, unlike the Studio Pros that don't have those features. And I just hope that I'm forgiven for caring about how they living, or loaning a little money and keeping them out of prison. I ain't lying to my verses, I'm just telling you the basics of growing up with your friends and becoming the one that made it. These are great. I love the sound quality. Wow. These are better. I think these are better than the AirPod Pros. The bass is fantastic. Let's check and see if we have any EQ settings on. I don't think we do. Oh, we have the late night EQ on. The bass booster mode sounds amazing. And let's try with no EQ. On any EQ, off, bass booster, late night. I like to use late night because they do increase the sound in your AirPods. So it's basically the same thing because they both use the H1 chip with the AirPod Pros and the Beats Fit Pros. I am super impressed so far, guys. Wow, these are incredible sound. These also are IPX4 splash water resistant, so you don't have to worry about them getting wet or running around outside in the rain. These definitely sound better than the Beats Studio Buds. These sound better than the AirPod Pros, and these sound better than the AirPod 3rd Gen. That is for sure. And they have custom 9.5mm drivers, so that might be the reason why the sound sounds much better. There's more clarity when it comes to these, and they have slightly deeper bass than AirPod Pros, which I'm very happy with. Bass levels in wireless earbuds like this are hard to come by. These are fantastic so far. Only thing that's left to do now is really test out the microphone. So here's a mic test with the Beats Fit Pros. Hopefully they sound fantastic. We're not gonna make a phone call because I don't have anybody I can call. They'd be picking up right now. But we're gonna take these sound recordings and figure out what they sound like. The microphone is definitely nowhere near the AirPod Pros or the AirPod 3rd Gen. These do not have HD audio for FaceTime calls like the AirPod 3rd Gen does. That's for sure. The AirPod 3rd Gen beat the AirPod Pros when it came to microphone quality, but you're not really buying headphones for the microphone's quality. With that being said, it's not terrible, but it's not the best mic I've ever heard. I'm still super happy with this product, and these are probably some of my favorite new earbuds. I'm super impressed. There's actually 6 microphones inside of the Beats Fit Pro, and 5 are used for phone calls, and 1, it just sits there, I think. I don't really know what that last microphone does, but there's 6 microphones in these headphones right now that are picking up the audio around me. I sound like I'm a superhuman because I can hear everything very well. Well, damn guys, these are a very impressive pair of earbuds. I am super happy. There's nothing really you could change about these that would make them any better besides maybe the case is wirelessly charging and the fact that you might have a little bit better microphone inside. Those aren't points where I would say don't get them. It's a fantastic product. I'm super happy, super impressed by Beats. These are probably the most impressive headphones I've used from Beats since the Beats Pros, which are like $400 studio headphones. So these are fantastic, couldn't be happier. I know I keep saying that and repeating myself, but this is an amazing product. They do retail for $199 right now, but you're gonna be able to probably get the AirPod Pros or these at a discount in the future, especially around Black Friday. But to be honest with these, they seem to be worth the money in my opinion. Hopefully you can find some ear tips that you enjoy, whether you want to use their silicone options or you want to use a completely different option from another set of earbuds, you're perfectly able to do so. But with that said guys, this is the end of the video. We're giving away an Oculus Quest 2 at 20,000 subscribers, and we're giving a PS5 at 30,000 subscribers. If you haven't done so yet, if you saw at the beginning and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that bell icon so you always know when we post a video. And you can follow me on Twitter as well because I post all my videos there, so you know when we do a giveaway as well. I'm gonna go listen to some more music because these are my favorite earbuds of choice from this point going forward. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.